This just came in. I'm looking, so I do filming with my GoPro, and I bought I believe it was the Wind wind noise reducing foam that wraps around the camera. It worked very well. I was looking for something to also reduce the wind noise on my Fusion GoPro 360. The mics are up here. I saw this. I thought I'd try it out. Very low cost, low priced solution. It cost me $9. Today is August 31st, 2022, with free 1-day delivery from Amazon. And I'm hoping it's a universal type of wind noise reducer. And I'm hoping it works. I'm gonna go film today and see how much of a good job or bad job it does. So it comes with the double-sided stick-on items, tape, 10 of them, and it comes with I think it's 10 of these noise reducing items, and it comes with 20 stickers, 10 of these. I'm gonna need 3 of them. I hope they work and they don't fall off. Looks like a piece of hair. And this is the little double-sided tape stickers. And let me put one on. So just take it out here. It's a little thick. Let me see again. It's a little bit thick, as you can see. All right, let me remove the tape. Oh, the actual paper that's exposes the glue. I'm going to stick. These are the mics. So I'm going to stick it right over. Try to get it as best as I could right. That looks pretty good. All 3 of them are in. Let me expose the top layer. Now let's get the little sticky things. I mean the muffers or whatever they're called. I'm sticking one there. Right where that is. I hope it stays in place. I don't want. Okay. All done. Looks like it has a toupee on. Now let's see. I'm hoping they work well. I really am. I hope they stay on too for a long time. All right, let's try it out. So after testing it, I tried it out. The wind noise reduction was probably, I'm going to say about 60% reduction. It wasn't as much as I wanted it to be. I could still hear it, but for the most part, it reduced about 50%, at least 50%. So it's okay for now. I'm going to try to find a better solution. But I'm going to be using this until I do. And I'll make a video on that one if I do end up finding a better solution. So it did okay. I put it on my car. I drove around and recorded. I don't have sample footage because this is the 360 video, and that's what they end up coming out in 360. Sorry about that, but it did reduce it by 50%, about 50%. So it worked a little bit. They stuck on. I drove about maybe 40 miles an hour was the fastest I went, and nothing fell off. So it did okay holding on while driving. So if you're using it just to record, I think if you're recording in a stationary situation, you know, standing still, not moving, the reduction will be even more, because when the wind was blowing and the car was at a red light, I heard absolutely no wind noise at all. It was when I was driving where you accumulate more of the wind and the more of the noise of the wind. So that's another thing I saw. So if I'm using it stationary, it works very well. If it's a windy day, it did reduce it almost to, I didn't even hear it. But when I was driving, yeah, it did come in, but it did reduce it by about 50%. It was better than nothing. All right, I hope you liked the video. I hope it helps somewhat in some way. All info is below. Please subscribe and like the video. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.
Ten PCs camera mic windscreen wind muff built-in microphone camera mic muff compatible with DSLRs mic outdoor windshield and 20 PCs camera wind muff sticker, black, 0.24x 0.24 inch, 082022. Cost, $8.99. Purchased on Amazon. About this item. Sufficient quantity. There are 10 pieces of camera microphone wind screens and 20 pieces of camera wind muff stickers, enough to meet your uses and replacement, and you can also share them with your friends and family members. Reliable material. The muff for camera is made of fur material, sturdy and reliable, not easy to fade or tear, comfortable and soft. The sticker has good adhesion, not easy to fall off, convenient to replace, appropriate for you to use for a long time. Camera noise reducer. The micro muff adopts a furry design, which can filter out background noise to improve the quality of recording and video, even when it is windy outside. It can also help you take a good video, suitable for photography lovers. Portable and convenient. The camera muffler is approximately 0.6x 0.6 centimeters 0.24x 0.24 inch, suitable size for you to use, portable and lightweight. You can put the mic furry windscreen in your camera bag without taking up too much space, easy to store and carry. Warm note, the camera is not included in the package. Please clean the surface of the camera before pasting the sticker, and ensure that the sticker is firmly pasted with the mini wind muff, otherwise, it will affect the microphone of the camera, and cannot achieve a good effect. Products description. Features. Gift choices. You can send the stick-on microphone windscreen to those people who like photography, such as your parents, children, wife, girlfriend, classmates and friends, letting them have a better photography experience. Compatible with kinds of cameras. The camera mic muff is compatible with many types of cameras, which can help you reduce noise while shooting. Practical and convenient, bringing you a lot of convenience. Specifications. Material, 4. Color, black. Size, approximately 0.6x 0.6 centimeters 0.24x 0.24 inch. Package includes 10x camera microphone windscreens. 20x adhesive stickers, 0.24-inch. Warm notes. Please allow slight deviation due to manual measurement. Please allow slight color differences due to different monitors. Product information. Item weight 0.634 ounces. Package dimensions 3.98 x 2.36 x 0.31 inches. Country of origin China. Awesome B09SL11LZB. Customer reviews 3.8 out of 5 stars, 28 ratings. 3.8 out of 5 stars. Best sellers ranked number 40 in professional video microphones. Date first available February 16, 2022. Color name black. Material type fur. Hardware platform camera. Power source corded electric.